In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a YouTube video on LinkedIn from mobile or desktop. If you're trying to boost your reach, promote your brand, or simply share a video you're proud of, this is one of the quickest wins you can make on LinkedIn. First, open LinkedIn on your phone or your computer and sign in. On desktop, look at the top of your homepage for the Start a Post box. On mobile, you'll see either Post or Start a Post near the top of your feed or along the bottom bar. Tap or click that area to begin your update. This is where everything comes together. Now grab the link to the YouTube video you want to share. If you already have it copied, great. If not, open YouTube, navigate to your video, and copy the URL. On desktop, you can simply use the address bar. On mobile, tap share under the video and then copy link. Once the link is on your clipboard, switch back to LinkedIn. Paste the YouTube link right into your post. After a moment, LinkedIn will pull in a clean preview of the video, including the title and thumbnail. This happens the same way on both mobile and desktop, so you don't need any extra steps. If the preview doesn't appear immediately, give it a second or repaste the link to prompt it. Before you publish, add a short caption to provide context. Share a quick insight, highlight the key takeaway, or invite feedback so people know why they should watch. A simple call to action like watch to learn or tell me what you think can lift engagement. You can also sprinkle in 1 to 3 relevant hashtags and tag a person or company if it's appropriate to the content. Keep it natural and concise. When your preview looks good and your caption feels right, hit post. Your video will now appear in your network's feed where your connections can watch the preview, react, comment, and share. This simple approach helps drive traffic back to your YouTube channel while building visibility on LinkedIn. And that's it. Whether you're sharing a tutorial, a vlog, or a product demo, posting a YouTube link on LinkedIn is fast, easy, and effective on both mobile and desktop. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you share your YouTube videos more effectively on LinkedIn. Make sure to stick around for more simple tips to improve your online presence.